In question 27, key to success really is making sure that you can direct the table into a series of points. Now that will mean a dot-to-dot combination graph as you progress through. Now first up, if you're paying nothing, you're going to pay no tax. So I'm going to start this first segment at 0, 0, and then cheat a little bit. If I'm told it's nil for that next point, that's 15,000, comma 0. I can carry that point through. It's the same point, but it'll help me immensely if I can follow it through. Now, 40,000 is the end of the next segment. Now 40,000, looking through here, I pay 5,000. I could do the arithmetic and find that out for you, but here I could just copy it off the book. Carrying that same point through. Through to 80,000. And for 80,000, you can see here I'm paying $21,000 in tax. Carrying that point through. Now I'm missing a final point from this process. So what I'm going to have to do here is to actually calculate the tax I'm going to pay. Now it's 21,000 plus 60 cents for every dollar over 80,000. And you can see I end up with $40,000 of tax. Now, I've done this graph earlier, but now we've got the points. It's a relatively straightforward thing to graph these onto a graph. Using the points, you can see what I've done here. So 0 to 15, the 15 to 40, the 40 to 80, and finally the 80 through the 110. When it comes to finding the equation, you can either use the two-point method or you can read off and interpret the equation with respect to the information given. So for equation 3, between 40,000 and 80,000, I pay 5,000 plus 40 cents or 40%, 0.4x take the 40,000. I've expanded that to give me t is equal to 0.40x minus 11,000. Plugging that through, you can see that for someone earning 48,000, I'd be up for $8,200 in taxation. In a similar way, when 72,500 is earned, you will pay $18,000 in taxation. For the last two parts of this problem, excuse me, it needs a little bit of transposition to get to the answer. So just spend a moment or two studying the processes and finding out how the income figure was worked out.